I'm going to show you how to use and tell you a little bit about our soap sleeves. One of my favorite products that we have is our natural fiber soap sleeves. We have two. We have one that is Ramie fiber. It's a little bit of a softer fiber. It's a lighter exfoliation, very gentle. And then we have our sisal or agave fiber. Both of them are soap bags. They're the same size. They both have a drawstring on them like this. Both are natural fibers, which means they are sustainable. They're great for the environment. They're good for your skin. They don't have synthetic stuff in them. But that also means they will wear with time, and they're actually biodegradable. So when they're done, you could compost them. How cool is that? So this is what the sleeve looks like. And let me show you with one of our soap bars. This is our stone fruit and lavender, and it is beautiful and cold process and smells delightful. And they're square like this. And they've got shea butter, goat's milk, all kinds of beautiful clean ingredients. You can see the whole clean ingredient list in the product listing. So you take your bar in your bag and you slip it in just like this. And then you're going to tighten your drawstring. And you will use this like you would a soap bar. So you'll get it wet, it'll lather. You're going to use it to scrub your body. When you're finished, ideally you want to remove your bar. You're going to take this and rinse it. You don't want to leave soap scum in there. So you want to rinse out the soap scum, let it air dry. These will last 30 to 60, maybe up to 90 uses. But you need to know that they will wear, as natural fibers do. So after about 60 uses, it'll look like this. Your fibers it'll look kind of hairy. It still functions. It still exfoliates well. It's not problematic, but there will come a time that they will eventually biodegrade because it's sustainable and because it's a natural fiber. They're super inexpensive, easy to replace. They feel amazing on your skin because they will lightly buff away dead skin, leaving behind a smooth surface that's ready to absorb your body oil, which I cannot wait to launch our body oil. A really nutrient-dense body oil and lotion that locks in moisture and allows your skin to remain soft and smooth without that layer of dead skin on top. So I hope you will try our soap sleeves. This is the agave fiber, and this is our stone fruit and lavender. But as you know, we have 4 different types of soaps, cleansing bars on the site, and we have the agave fiber and the Ramie fiber. So be sure to check them out. They make a beautiful gift as well.